Hi Max and everyone with Julius Painters, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to go over a couple of things you guys can do with your website here, get it updated, start making the internet work better for you and bringing you more business. So we'll get started. I've got your website up here. I really like your logo right up here, and you've got this click to call right up here. That's great. You do have a call to action, but it is kind of smaller. Feel free to make this a little bit bigger and easier for people to see as soon as they click on your website. As we scroll down, I just want to see what this picture saved as. Okay, so definitely save this picture as a buyer intent keyword. We'll get into that here in a minute, and then re-upload it to your website. As we come down, we've got the services that you offer. Feel free to go into more depth with these services too, or any other little details that you guys might offer, power washing, anything like that. Another call to action right here, which is great. And down here we've got different ways for your clients to connect with you and your contact information and hours down here at the bottom. That's all really great. What Google's really looking for though is content, and they want to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark on this home page of quality content. Now, in addition to that content, Google's looking for buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. Some of those buyer intent keywords can be things like painter Mesa. When we search for something like this on your homepage, it's not found at all. So that's something you could definitely get added on here as well. And when I said to save this picture as a buyer intent keyword, that can be one of them, and we'll kind of explore some other ones here too. Now, in addition to that content and those keywords, Google also wants to see backlinks. Now, what a backlink is just a shout out from another website, and this just lets Google know that your website is trustworthy and relevant, but it also needs to make sure that the website giving you that shout out is trustworthy and relevant as well. So it's important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools. What we're going to look at here is this UR and DR rating. So our UR is our trust rating with Google. Our DR is our power rating with Google. We want these numbers to be much higher. These are influenced by our backlinks, and the backlinks just come from our referring domains. So we need some more relevant, powerful backlinks linking to you guys, letting Google know that you're more powerful. Now, I've also put in one of the top competitors in your area, Mesa Painting Pros. And so as we can see, their UR is much higher, their DR is still really low. So this is letting us know that even though they have quite a few backlinks coming from quite a few referring domains, that not all of these backlinks are trustworthy, relevant, or powerful. So they're not doing as much for them as they could be. Now, what else we can do here is kind of explore their organic keywords. And so as we can see, House Painting Mesa AZ has 150 people searching per month. Painters in Mesa AZ has 200 people searching per month. House Painters Mesa AZ has 70. Exterior Painters Mesa AZ has 60. So these are all buyer intent keywords that you guys definitely want to get added to your site, and you can definitely use to save those pictures as like we kind of talked about. So updating our content and our keywords, improving our backlinks is going to help us start to rank organically. Now, I did search for you guys back to the second page in the organic section, and after I got to page 2, I didn't find you still, and I stopped after that. Most people aren't going to go past page 1, let alone page 2, to search for you. So we want to get ranked right up here in this first, second, and third position. Now, the last thing that we're going to hit on here is this area right here called the Local Map Pack or Google My Business. How we get ranked here is by having a Google business profile and making sure that it's filled out all the way. With your business's name, address, phone number, hours. We want to have pictures on there that are geotagged properly and saved with the proper alt text, so those buyer intent keywords prior to uploading. And then you also want to make sure that you guys are getting reviews from your clients and having them posted on there as well. And the last thing is by having your citation in as many directories as possible. Now, a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number, and a directory is just things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. And so what I would do if I was in your shoes, I would find all the top competitors all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added to those exact same ones, and then I would go above and beyond that. So if they're in 150, I'm going to get myself added into 200, 250, maybe even 300, really blow them out of the water. So that's going to get you ranked number 1, 2, or 3 up here in this section, and then improving that content, keywords, and backlinks is going to have you ranked number 1, 2, or 3 in the organic section. You can also get ranked for Google ads if you want. You just have to outbid those companies for that specific keyword. That is another option as well. All right, Max, that's all I've got for you. I hope that this was helpful. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.